Symptoms of a low transmission fluid. Transmission fluid is an important component of keeping your transmission and your vehicle operating at their best. For this reason, it's recommended that you have your transmission fluid flushed and replaced regularly. But how do you tell when you're low on transmission fluid? Well, let's find out. 1. Noises. A properly functioning transmission should not make any noise while driving. Unusual sounds vary between brands and types of transmissions, with manual transmissions often making a clunking or grinding noise and automatics making a whining or humming sound. Low fluid levels could be the cause, but it's best to have a certified technician diagnose and fix the issue to avoid costly repairs. 2. Burning smell. If your car emits a foul smell, go to the nearest service center. One possible cause is overheated transmission fluid, which can indicate a low fluid level. 3. Transmission leaks. The fluid in the car's transmission housing is its only lubricant and also cleans and conditions the transmission seals. Leaks can cause transmission problems, so if you see red fluid under your vehicle, it's likely losing transmission fluid. Contact your authorized dealer to have the transmission inspected. The repair may be a simple replacement of a failed gasket or hose. However, without service, a leaking transmission will get worse as the fluid level decreases. But do you know what can make things better? Subscribing to our channel. Doing so will keep you up to date on our latest informative content. So, make sure you hit that subscribe button now, and let's continue with the video. 4. Slipping gears. A healthy transmission will shift between gears smoothly, and there won't be any slippage. Low fluid levels can cause gears to miss, which will result in a grinding sensation. The occasional slipped gear might seem like a small issue at first, but it's always a good idea to have the transmission looked at when this occurs to avoid costly repairs in the future. 5. Slow gear engagement. Along with gear slippage, low transmission fluid levels can also cause low levels of pressure, which leads to slower engagement when shifting gears. If you notice your transmission takes a second to engage when put into drive or reverse, it could be due to low fluid levels. 6. The vehicle accelerates poorly. If your vehicle is slow to pick up or unresponsive when accelerating from a stop, it could be caused by an issue in your transmission. If you notice this happening, you should have your vehicle inspected and serviced at the nearest service center. 7. Check engine or transmission warning light is on. When a check engine light pops up on your dashboard, you should always head to the nearest service center to have it checked. There are several possible reasons that this light can pop up, one of which is an issue with your transmission. That concludes this video, where we've discussed the 7 most common symptoms that indicate low transmission fluid levels. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you find this video informative. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.